Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this President's Choice Coconut Cream style cheese style. So it was on sale. There's the ingredients if you guys want to read it. So coconut cream, potato protein is what they use. And let's do a quick taste test. What I have here is a cracker or a pretzel. And we'll do a small bit right there. It does have a slight coconut taste to it. Very slight, but it does have that sort of cheese aroma to it. So, yeah, not bad. It doesn't spread very like smooth, but if you look, as you can see, it's kind of crumbly. But it does work if you once it like sort of melts a bit. So, all right, guys, stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to subscribe to the channel.